If an open-graded mixture is being stored temporarily, care must be taken to keep the mix storage temperature low enough so that the asphalt cement does not flow off of the aggregate, or drain down, and collect at the bottom of the silo at the discharge gates. In general, it is not advisable to store an open-graded HMA mix overnight. 6 pounds of fiber is normally added to every ton of mix just to wake up the 6.5% oil being added. This mix should be moved through the silo as soon as possible. Storing overnight is a bad choice. Mixes with high coarse aggregate content may tend to experience drain down if stored for an extended period of time.
The high batcher level switch control scheme opens the discharge gate once the asphalt mix level reaches the switch. The batcher fill timer control scheme allows the batcher to fill for a predetermined amount of time before opening the discharge gate. Which scheme allows the batcher to be filled completely without overfilling and without being affected by plant production rate changes. The correct answer is A. The high batcher level switch control scheme allows the batcher to be filled completely without overfilling and without being affected by plant production rate changes.
Annual internal inspection, more often in older silos or high volumes of 200,000 tons per year. Check for the effects of corrosion and excessive wear by conducting a wall and liner metal thickness test by drilling or with ultrasonic metal thickness instrument up to 2 feet above cone. Liners should be installed in areas under 1/8 of an inch. Follow lockout-tagout and confined space entry procedures. Inspect welds and prepare for the considerations of welding abrasion-resistant steel. Check the gates and pivot points and hoses.